Hello everyone, my name is Pradul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at Vigisolver Private Limited. And in this video, we are going to see how to create a return or debit note on your purchase invoice if you want to return anything to the supplier again. So how can you do it inside ERPNext, right? So in the last video, we have created this purchase invoice, and this purchase invoice, we have to create a debit note. So what you have to do is you have to click over here into the create button and you have to click on return or debit note, right? So once you click this, there would be a new form which will come up, right? And you just select whatever you want to return. So I just want to return the first two products, and apart from this all the products are correct, so I'll just use them. So -1 -20 is the number, right? You will see that this is the total amount which I want to take in return, right? And this is the purchase invoice from on whose behalf I am just creating a invoice. Okay, so once I click save, okay, and I submit this return note or debit note is now created. Okay, if I'll print this, you will see that all the quantities are coming in minus. Okay, and this is our basic purchase invoice standard, but we are using it as a return or debit note. Okay, now what you can do is you can ask for a payment on this particular purchase invoice or return notes behalf. So you can click on payment. Okay, and now you'll see that we are receiving the payment from supplier. We are not paying him, right? On the other hand, we are receiving it. We already have the bank account and all those details of what amount we require is coming up. So we can create a payment entry also on this purchase receipts behalf. So yeah, that is it on debit note. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.